Good morning students, welcome to the next video of data interpretation. So here we will solve some questions related to data interpretation. There is a table given. The following table shows the various activities conducted during the CCA week in the school and the performance record of the boys and the girls. So here some activities are mentioned and the number of boys, how many boys participated, how many girls participated, then total number of participants, and then the prizes won by the girls and by the boys. So let's see the questions. Based on the data given in the table, answer the following questions. Here some questions are given. You have to answer those questions. First one, how many activities were conducted for CCA week? Let's check. How many activities were conducted? So you can see there are total 9 activities. There are total 9 activities. So the answer for question number 1 is 9. Next, name the activity where there was maximum participation. Now maximum participation we have to find. So for maximum participation we have to see this column. And in this column the highest number is 90 and 90 is of sports, means for question number B, the answer is sports. Sports is the activity in which there was maximum participation. C. In which of the above activities do we see the least number of boys in participating? Now we have to find those activities in which the number of boys participated is least. So here you can see you have to see this column. So the number of boys in which in the activity in which number of boys is less is the least one is number 5 and it is of debate. So for number C the answer is debate. Number D, name those activities where girls got more prizes than the boys. Now we have to find those activities where girls got more prizes than the boys. So girls, you have to see this section and this section. We have to compare these two sections. So in which the number of prizes girls won is greater than boys, we have to mark that one. First one 15-10, no. 5-10, yes, this one, music. Then 5-5, then 2-3, yes, drama and skit. Then 3-3-1-1, then 2-4, rangoli, and then 5-5-2-2. So we got total three activities. First one is music, then drama, and then rangoli making. So those activities where girls got more prizes than the boys are drama, rangoli making, and music. Last one, name the activity where boys got more prizes than girls. Now again we have to compare those two sections only, but here we will focus on boys. So boys, first one you can see here 15 and 10. So first one is sports, and then there is no other activity, means boys won more prizes than girls in only one activity, that is sports. Next one, study the following bar chart that gives the details of old age homes in various places. Now here is a bar chart is given. Here number of old age homes of different places are denoted. Now see this the questions. First question is, which place has the maximum number of old age homes? So for that we will see that bar which is highest, and you can see red color is highest, so it is of LB Nagar. For number A we will answer LB Nagar. Number B, which place has the minimum number of old age homes? Now minimum you can see Sri Raja Palle. So for B, Sri Raja Palle. Number C, Nasriganj has more old age homes than Sri Raja Palle. True or false? Now Nasriganj is, you can see Nasriganj is higher than Sri Raja Palle. So the statement given is true. Next, write a small note based on your observations of the chart about the increasing number of old age homes in various cities. Now, as the data has been provided of the old age homes, there are different localities mentioned and their old age homes. So you can see there are many old age homes in the city. So you have to write a note based on these data, and you have to just share your observation, what you think about old age homes. So like this, you will solve the problems based on data interpretation. Just you have to look at the data, just summarize it, take out the main points and answer the questions. So that's all for today. Thank you.